Hello everyone, my name is Abdullah Abbas. My matric is PE 230029. Today I'm gonna solve and I'm gonna give you the calculation of the question 1. We're gonna start by node 1, which is give us R equal 2 and V equal 10 and E equal 5. We're gonna start by node V1 minus E plus V1 over 20 plus V1 V1 minus V2 over 5 plus V1 minus V over R equals 0, which is minus 5 plus V1 over 20 plus V1 minus V2 over 5 plus V1 minus 10 over R equal 0. Minus 100 plus V1 plus V 4 V1 minus 4 V2 plus 10 V1 minus 100 equal 0. Minus 100 plus 15 V1 minus 4 V2 give us minus 100 equals 0. The last equation for node V1 is 15 V1 minus 4 V2 equal 200. This is the equation number 1. KL and super node V2 to V3. V2 minus V1 over 5 plus V2 over 4 plus V3 minus V over 15 plus V3 over 10 equals 0. The equation number 2 is minus 12 V1 plus 27 V2 plus 10 V3 equals 4. The super node for V1 and V2 and V3 is V2 minus V3. The super node give us V4, so it's V2 minus V3 equal 10 1x equal 10 V1 minus V over R equal 10 V1 minus 10 over 2 V2 minus V3 equal 5 V1 minus 15V 5 V1 minus V2 plus V3 equal 5 multiplied by 10 equal 15. This is number 3, equation number 3. V4 equal 10. So we got the V1 and we get the V1 equal 18.11 and V2 equal 70.92 and V3 equal minus 22.64. We got the V4 equal 10. General equation for coding: minus E plus V1 over 20 plus V1 minus V2 over 5 plus V1 minus V over R equals 0. Minus 20A plus V1 plus V plus 4V1 minus 4V2 plus 20 V1 minus V over R equals 0. Minus 20A plus 5 V1 minus 4 V2 plus 20 over R V1 minus 20 V over R equals 0. 5 plus 20 over R multiplied by V1 minus 4V2 equal 20A plus 20v over r. This is the equation number 1 for general equation for coding. Minus 20v1 plus 27v2 plus 10v3 equal 4. This is the equation number 2. And v2 minus v3 equal 10 over r v1 minus 10 over r v. 10 over r v equal 10 over r v1 minus v2 minus plus v3. This is the equation number 3, which is 10 over r v. It's equal 10 over r v1 minus v2 plus v3. v4 is v, and we're gonna do it to type of values to simulate. This is the v, and v is equal 10 and 20 and 15. This is the change voltage and the expected result. Now I'm gonna go to task 1, MATLAB coding using MATLAB editor. I already did it in the MATLAB, so we have just to put it as the values that we get. The v equal 10 and the e equal 5, the r equal 2. We're gonna put the code which is e equal 1 over r plus 1 over 1 over 4 and plus 1 over r minus 1 over 5. This is the code that we get in chapter 1. We're gonna get the values in MATLAB, and we're gonna put the p equal e00v. Gonna get the values of b, and we're gonna put the d equal imveb. We're gonna get the values of d, and we're gonna put the decide and v1, and we're gonna get the same as we do in v1. We're gonna do v2, and as we get in the v2, we're gonna do the v3 and v4. That's all for my part. Thank you for watching me.
Output. Okay, the first image 1 show equation of the straight line passing through the point 8.1107 and 522.6384. The question y equal 4.5277 x plus 9.0553. The explanation, the question was calculate using the step for the solving the equation of straight line through 2 points. Okay, now I need to talk about image 2. Okay, shows a calculator with a simple interface, including basic buttons for arithmetic operation, future numbers operation, things, clear screen, geometrical point, negative, percentage, square, root, square. We use financial calculation, scientific calculation. Okay, now we need to go to image 3. Show pure chart responsibility the percentage of the 4 different values. The values 2,300%, 2,100%, 3,300%, and 2,300%. Analyze the third value in the most important 3300% and use value responsible data and comparing values making decision. Okay. The simplification identify the most important values, identifying the last important values, comparing percentage using the bow card make decision. Okay, the example of the uses responsibility the companies compare without analyze survey result comparing sales of the different produce. Okay, general of my about talk solution and details may vary depend on the special image. It's important to analyze each image and understand the information in a proof and proofs before summarize it. Information for the image can be used make decision and analyze data. That's all for me. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hamza Siddiq. My number matric BE230031. Okay, today I would like to discuss task 3 in MATLAB. Okay, first we do in the current source, and we have two current source, and we have many resistors and 4 volt. First we write draw resistors and draw and stay at the current source and current collective voltage source. Okay, we have to do this current source with the resistors, all resistors, and we draw this circuit and write here 5. Well, we see here the case equals 0, and this 1850 1811 V1 and V2 equal 17 and V3 minus 22 and last V4 minus 10. Okay, we go to see the next of this picture. Okay, now we write here 7. We change we do this more current DC current and right here, and we do this here, and we write to and in upper we write 2693. We see V1 equal 33 full stop for 64 and V2 20 full stop to 9 and V3 minus 6 full stop 604, and the last the V4 we get it and we found it 20. We need to go next. Now we can write the current source 10. What we see? We see, and we write the another current 0 full stop 7895. What we see? We see the V1 equal 57 full stop 989 and V2 equal 26 full stop 32 and the V3 18 full stop 42, and the last the V4 equal 50. These all of things about task 3.